This amazing graphite washer-dryer from Samsung is perfect if you're looking for a model with incredible technology that takes special care of fabrics. It has an A energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, a medium-sized 9kg drum for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. Samsung's amazing QuickDrive technology reduces washing time by up to 50% without compromising on quality. Unlike standard washer dryers, the QuickDrive has a special plate at the back, which moves in the opposite direction to the drum. This pushes clothes back and forth as your clothes tumble, creating a truly intensive clean. So, not only will you save energy, but you'll be able to spend more time doing the things you love. What makes this model unique is the AddWash door that lets you add to the wash during the wash. Simply pause the program and open the mini door to pop in any forgotten items or extra fabric conditioner. You can also drop in any delicate items towards the end of the cycle if they only need rinsing, meaning you can add that missing sock to the wash instead of waiting for another load, saving you time, energy, and water. If you're looking for a washer-dryer with incredible technology that takes special care of fabrics, this amazing graphite model from Samsung is the perfect choice.